Okay, Preeti, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Preeti Agarwal from Kolkata, studying BMS Media Science and working with LWT as an operation manager. Thank you. Naritra, I can't hear you.
Yeah. So, okay, so myself, Paritra Mukherjee, I am from Kolkata, and right now I am pursuing entrepreneurship from So now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, so please give a brief intro of Snapchat.
Yeah, like I personally I don't use Snapchat. It is an app.
A photo sharing app like Instagram.
Yeah, you can share your photos, and most attractive part of Snapchat is like their filters while clicking pictures. And it is an American multimedia messaging app also. So, and its feature is that pictures, right? And the messages also are usually only available for the which is usually available for the short time.
So why do you think it's not so popular as compared to Facebook and Instagram?
It is for the pictures.
No, but people use Facebook and Instagram more than Snapchat, right?
Yes.
So why do you think it's not so popular? Picture is also in Instagram also.
The people use more Facebook and Instagram is a messaging app and most of the filters.
Okay. Okay, Naman, glad to see you. Okay, Naman, please give a brief intro about Snapchat.
Well, I don't know that much of Snapchat because I have used it very less and mostly Instagram obviously, especially for the memes. So so I use only Instagram. Facebook is very less because all the old uncles and aunties are on Facebook. So I don't like that. Instagram is little bit more youthful and more uh,
Why do you think they're on Facebook, old uncle and aunties?
because Facebook was initially started at the beginning, and people who are old, they face problems while adapting to this technological world. So Facebook was initially, so they don't want to now jump into Instagram, Snapchat, because there's so many options available right now. So they are sticking to Facebook at least, so that because yeah, they know how to operate, they have practiced it, right? So yeah.
So why do you think Snapchat is not so popular?
In India, it's not so popular, but in the US, it's very popular. It's widely popular because people use Snapchat more in US, uh, and also Instagram. Facebook is very less. Facebook is for old dudes and that, and Instagram is a little bit more youthful, little bit colorful, and Snapchat is like those who are below 18. Mostly, Snapchat is for them, according to me. So,
Why
yeah,
for below
Snapchat.
18 only?
Yeah, I think it's below 18 because if you see that, you will feel like you are more childish, right? And the posts
Hmm.
are also like they're the post and all. There's that Instagram has more to explore than Snapchat actually, because the algorithms are more advanced in Instagram if you compare it to Snapchat, and the search is very much optimized in Instagram. So you get good recommendations in Instagram, and Snapchat you don't get any recommendation or little recommendation. And the third thing is Snapchat is not like photo sharing, reels, and etc. etc. Snapchat is totally snaps, right? Totally video. So there are very less options to follow. Celebrities are also very less available there. Meme pages are also very less. So uh, Snapchat, obviously, one thing which I like about Snapchat is the the safety measurement, because mostly Snapchat is used by below 18 people. So obviously, so if you see any you know any post or anyone taking the screenshot of your snap, it will be reported to you immediately whenever you take a screenshot. Means whenever you take someone else's screenshot, it will be reported to them, right? So there's a little bit safety feature. What you have sent, you can take it back, and the snaps which you send to your friends, it's only available for one view, right? You can set it up, you can set it up for multiple views, you can only see once. So that's also a good feature of Snapchat. uh, it became famous because of this, but then Instagram adopted it also. So
Copied. Facebook and Instagram copied its feature.
yeah, adopted, copied, whatever you say. So
Why do
I
you think they copied?
adopted. I think because they they copied. I wouldn't say copied. I would say adopted, because if you copy something, it's like fully copy and paste. You have to fully copy the Snapchat interface and all. Just they took the idea, they took the inspiration from there, and they just pasted it. Because obviously, when you are in the game, you have to stay relevant what your consumer is liking. Otherwise, you don't compete with with the competitors, you will be lacking behind, right? You don't want to lag behind, right? You want to stay at the top of the game. So that's why you have to adapt, even though we have seen like that. So
Okay, so
we have
do you think Snapchat is a good platform for marketing your product or service?
no, I don't think so. Snapchat is that much good because the user base is not that huge compared to Facebook and Instagram. And the second thing, second of all, like the integration between Facebook and Instagram is enormous, and you will see a gigantic, user base if you combine Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, I think if you want to do market, well, it also depends on a product. If your product is like uh, B2C, which is like if you're dealing in a business to consumer environment, Facebook and Instagram is good. But if you want to deal with a B2B, which is business to business environment, then I think LinkedIn will be more better than you. But if you want to, promote something in the US, especially because US has the most Snapchat users. So if you want to promote in the US among the youth, not youth also, among the kids especially, So Snapchat would be good. Like if you're promoting a toy, Hasbro or something like that. So yeah, Snapchat is good for that. Getting notification in Instagram about all the memes. Till now, I'm using that. Hello.
So do you think Snapchat would become obsolete or it could probably fail in future?
No, I don't think so. Snapchat will become obsolete because those are the market.
I mean, in India,
The
at least in India, do you think it could fail?
I don't think so because there is no headquarters. I think in India for Snapchat, or there would be one office, but the base is actually US, right? So you can see about what happened with TikTok, right? TikTok was first when they launched, they were only Chinese, and after they got a huge success, then they came to India. Same with LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn, the headquarters and all the user bases is in US, and only the marketing department is in India. It's like that. So if you want to sue LinkedIn, because I have seen that people, Dr. Anirudh Malpani, I think he was having like he had a conflict with Byju's. He posted something on LinkedIn, so he had a huge, enormous number of followers. So it got banned, right? So what happened? What he tried to sue LinkedIn too. So LinkedIn first said that we only have marketing. You can't sue us. We have only marketing service here, and our headquarters is US. But after that, obviously the proceedings happen because you have to follow Indian law if you are there. The second thing is like the regulation of social media. This is also a very important topic, especially in India right now. We have seen the misuse of Twitter. We have seen the misuse of LinkedIn also uh, by corporations also, and also by those people who try to destroy the sovereignty of India. So we have seen the misuse, and the Twitter and all these platforms are allowing it. So this is also one huge challenge, that is regulation of social media. Otherwise, they if we don't regulate, they will become their own governments, and then Mark Zuckerberg will be the prime minister of India next.
Okay, so I guess that's it for today. So thank you
Yeah,
for
that's it.
coming and
Thank you very much for the
good night.
lovely discussion. Yeah.